You want to learn how to make Jamaican oven jerk barbecue chicken in the oven? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Nice and tasty. In this bowl, I have 4 pieces of leg and thigh. Them already clean. Just need to wash them, and I'm washing them with lime and salt. I am going to season the chicken with 2 tablespoons of my all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of my homemade jerk seasoning. So I am going to massage the seasoning them in the chicken. Now I am going to cover it up and allow it to marinate for 2 hours. So this is the wire rack I am going to bake them on. So I have the oven preheated at 375 degrees. Now I am going to put them inside the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. To my saucepan, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I am going to add 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons brown sugar. I am going to add 2 tablespoons ketchup. I am going to add 1/3 cup barbecue sauce. Now I am going to add 1 cup apple juice. Now I am going to allow it to come to a boil. Now that the glaze come to a boil, I am going to turn down the stove and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to take out the chicken out of the oven and toss them in the glaze and put them back inside. So it was 1 hour since the chicken them in the oven. This is how the chicken them look. Now I am going to put them back inside the oven for 15 more minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken is ready to serve. Gonna go for a bite. Look at this. So good. Nice and tasty.